Here are the Python free projects from W's Cube Tech. These projects cover web development, data analysis, and automation, helping beginners and intermediate learners build real-world skills. Next, here are Python free projects from Programming with Mosh. Mosh offers detailed tutorials on creating portfolios, machine learning models, and automation tools, making them perfect for improving your development skills. Here are Python free projects from Alex the Analyst. These projects focus on data analytics, helping you build solutions for business insights and decision-making using Python. Lastly, here are Python free projects from Codebasics. From core programming concepts to practical applications like web development and scripting, Codebasics provides a variety of projects for hands-on learning. From web development and machine learning to data analysis and automation, these Python projects will help you build valuable skills.